Hi guys, it's Leon, and if you can't tell, it's got a cracked screen. I might do one next time, but not on Subway Surfers, because I'm going to have to download it on my brother's laptop. So I'm going to be playing Subway Surfers. Sorry that I'm shaking, I've just been in the pool. I've got dried and everything. Hi guys! That was my brother Dylan, which I might be borrowing his laptop on Saturday to do a video. I'm going to be posting videos on, what is it today? Thursday, Saturday, Sunday and Monday. They're the videos that I'm going to be, days we're going to be doing videos, unless we're busy. I'm very if we're busy, but if we do it, if we're busy on Thursday, we cannot do it on Friday because I've got gymnastics 2 hours and I finish at 6 o'clock. We do it on a Tuesday. Yeah, because he's going to be going. I got hoops. I got to ZUBS clubs. Also, but actually, I quit it and got to gymnastics. Actually, no. What? What does this say? I don't know what it says. When were you born? Jan. What year? 2010. What do I... What? Is this my first time playing this now? Anyway, can you just have to leave it on? Lord is a new person. What? Yeah, there. Mm-hmm. This guy, this robot guy, he wasn't there last time. It was her right there. And there was no more. Oh my god, I'm sorry that I'm so... Any purchase? Buy one. Don't buy one because it's freezing cold. I'm inside right now, sat on a chair in front of the guitar. Comment down below what videos... Dylan, get out of the game and tell me what they have. Yeah, but we did it. I even recorded. Yeah, see? It's got numbers on, so. Yeah. So, yeah. The games are... We've got Fortnite, which we had to download. You don't have to disc yet, but... What? Oh, yeah, Dylan, how do I get off this? This. Sorry that I'm shaking, guys. Yeah, I'll get the other game. Oh my god, I'm so cold. I'll get the other games now. One of them we can't play just yet. So we can't play Destiny 2 just yet, but it is on download. We'll be able to play... Alright, right now I'm playing Subway Surfers and now listen to him. First Fantasy in Essentiology, Call of Duty World War II, FIFA 18, Skyrim, Tom Clancy's The Division, Star Wars, Tom Clancy's Rainbow Six Siege. The one I don't think they heard that, you might want to do it a little slower. Tom Clancy's Rainbow Six Siege. Whoa, sorry guys, this is laggy. And Gran Turismo. Right, maybe I'm shaking too much for that. So yeah, there are all the games we've got for the PS. And Fortnite. Yeah, and we also... Tell them, comment down below what game you think I should play. And how many wins you've got on Fortnite. If you have Fortnite in there. If you've got Fortnite, how many wins do you have? Type it in the text below. Comment, subscribe, comment down below if you are done. And say... Did I make it? Yay. And put in the parcels. I don't think you should have said that. Oh no, I could have got that out. But I don't. Maybe it's Leon. So yeah, what do you want? So Leon, what's that like? I'd say about 20 likes. So Leon, 20 likes this video. Last video we wanted 10 likes. But it didn't work. So this time we upped it to hope that we've got a new record. And I haven't actually checked on my other YouTube channel yet. Yeah, he hasn't checked on the YouTube channel yet for a while. No, I'm just too busy. Yeah, we have been busy the past few weeks. On his birthday. His birthday was a week ago today. Which is that? It's La. La la la. What's that?
Los Angeles.
Los Angeles. I might play another game after this, guys. And what game do you want to play? Comment down below.
What video you want to play tomorrow?
Video?
Well, what game you want to play?
What? I can't do it tomorrow.
Next video.
Oh yeah, I can do it tomorrow. Yeah? I'm not a gymnast today.
Oh yeah?
Anyway, I'm very excited for October. I know it's a long way, but I've got a big competition. And I've got another competition on Sunday this week.
So yeah, please.
On the 3rd of June.
Please tune in. We'll be showing all our medals.
Ooh, comment down below what game of these do I play right now. Well, not right now, but soon. And comment down below if any of these. And I've got one more. Not Pokemon Duel, because it might be a bit laggy.
Yeah. And then we've got all these.
I think I'm gonna play.
And then we've also got £1 million drop.
I don't think I've shown a £1 million drop.
So yeah, he's gonna have a quick.
I don't know why I said cold. I'm normally cold. Dylan must be saying, oh, Dylan, can you go and get another chair then? Bleep, 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 bleep. Bleep, bleep. I made that noise, not an actual, but that farting noise, didn't I do? Oh, no, don't you sit here and I can sit on that? I just sat on the other chair that Dylan got. Play anytime or play along, not connected. Play anytime, please. Wait!
This is called a loser. It's called a loser.
I'm the biggest loser, apparently. Right, I'm getting off that game. I have no idea how to control this. It's just going on random things. I think I'm going to get all these square things off, whatever they're called. Fucking lost. Got £1 million. Facebook, go off.
I'm gonna do it.
Oh no, it's frozen. But that's still going. Oh my god, it scared me.
I will now be doing a video.
John's going to be doing a video on the PS4.